Making some roti. In this bowl I have some vegetable shortening or Crisco. I have some baking powder. I have salt and sugar, and I'm gonna mix it with some warm water. Alright, so when you finish mixing, so this is when you got oily roti. Spread it, the oil all over, and then you sprinkle some flour in it, and then you roll it off. So when you finish roll it off, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to roll it, set it for a little 5 minutes, and I'm going to roll it out and bake it. Making some roti. In this bowl I have some vegetable shortening or Crisco. I have some baking powder. I have salt and sugar, and I'm going to mix it with some warm water. Alright, so when you finish mixing, so this is when you got oily roti. Spread it, the oil all over, and then you sprinkle some flour in it, and then you roll it off. So when you finish roll it off, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to roll it, set it for a little 5 minutes, and I'm going to roll it out and bake it. Off the roti, I'm going to use a wet or a damp paper towel, and I'm going to cover it. This is to provide not getting any crust at the top of the roti whilst baking. The heat normally do that, okay? So this is the pan I'm going to use to bake the roti. So here I have the oil, butter, brush, spatula, and the pan. When I finish, along with the wax paper that when I finish baking it, to put it in. Alright, roll the flour, the dough in the flour, okay, because this is preventing from not sticking with the rolling pin, as we know. Alright, and you start to roll, and then you turn it, and you do the same thing. You're looking for the round, right? So I'm going to add this to the roti pan now. You don't want it to burn, so you're going to turn it as it started to bake. You're going to flip it on the opposite side. Alright. And then we're going to add it again. This roti consists of a lot of oil, and you see it start burning because the heat is on. Gotta turn the heat down, press down the sides because you want the sides to cook also. Alright, and then I'm gonna flip it again. Oops, and the oil, see? Remember, now you can cook it on high heat. Alright, so this is the next one. I just finish, just oil it already. Alright, as I said before, most of the time when you first start baking the roti, the first one always come up a little brown, but this is finished. Okay, so this is the last demonstration for the roti. So I'm going to flip it over. Alright, and I'm going to oil it. Remember, on low heat, medium to low. If you have a people use like paper towel, if they don't want to use the brush, soak it in the oil, and I'm gonna flip it again. Oil this side again now. In the meanwhile, it's cooking, right? This is why you call it a roti, because you have to use a lot of oil to bake this. You don't want it to burn, as we all know. Alright, so I'm going to be using the spatula now, pressing down the edges because I want it around the edges cook. Alright.
This is what it look like when it finished. Oil roti. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.